In biopharma, managing assets efficiently is crucial. From high-cost equipment that requires regular maintenance and precise calibration to delicate instruments, every asset must be utilized to its fullest potential to ensure life-saving medicines can be produced reliably and efficiently. Yet they face challenges like underutilization, downtime, and disorganized servicing schedules. This is because many companies rely on frequency-based vendor contracts for maintenance, which often leads to unnecessary costs. These contracts don't track actual equipment usage, resulting in underutilization and higher expenses. Additionally, the lack of real-time utilization tracking means companies can't optimize their existing assets, often leading to unnecessary purchases of duplicate equipment. Delays between maintenance and calibration, which is often handled by different vendors, further increases downtime, keeping essential equipment out of service longer than necessary. Accurate data is crucial for effective preventive maintenance. Real-time data minimizes downtime and keeps equipment in an always-ready state, eliminating unplanned manufacturing delays and maximizing the value of the assets. Nuvolo's GXP asset management solution is designed for life sciences to comprehensively manage asset life cycles, vendor contracts, and provide real-time data and analytics on asset performance and utilization. With Nuvolo, biopharma companies can maintain high-quality standards, stay productive, and maximize their asset investments.